Here's the remote control dimmer and strobe switch, and I'll explain how the output is switched on the ground side rather than the positive side. So we have plugged into the wall the AC adapter, and coming out of it is 12 volts, which goes to these two 5-pin quick splice connectors. So this one here is the negative wire coming from the 12 volt source of the wall, and this one is the positive source. So the positive source runs on this red wire to the ECU box of the remote control strobe and dimmer. And then we have a black wire running to the negative. So in the diagram here, that is the positive wire coming from the 12 volt source, and then the negative wire coming from the 12 volt source into the remote control ECU. Out of the ECU, we have a few wires. We have a blue wire, which is the antenna wire, and of course that's disconnected. Then we have two white wires and two yellow wires. The white wire, one of them is the ground output, the other one is the second ground output, and then the yellow wires are the power output, the plus. So in this case we have the two yellow wires completely disconnected. They're not hooked up to anything. And we've hooked up one of the white wires coming out to the ground of the LED strip. And I'll just push it in there temporarily. It's not a solid connection, but it'll work for now. And then the positive of the LED strip is actually going directly to the positive of the 12 volt source, as you can see. Now it's a black wire, just what I have available, but it is positive running through here to the LED strip, and then negative from the LED strip back to the controller. And the different buttons on the remote can control it. So we have heartbeat mode, number 3. Number 1 is cycle through the brightness. Number 2 is strobe and flash, and then 4 is off. So we turn it off, turn it on, cycle through the brightness. Strobe and flash mode. Heartbeat mode. That's it. It wouldn't work the other way since it's ground switched. So if we were to connect the yellow wires to the strip and run a wire from the ground of the strip to the ground of the source, that wouldn't work.